So for the foreseeable future, at least, it sounds like the regulatory environment is getting more conservative, more difficult. Do you have any advice for an innovator or a company who is approaching the FDA in those circumstances?
Yes, I think there are things that companies can do to try to make the best of the current situation. So, for example, I think that companies need to be prepared for more complicated 510Ks to either require more data or perhaps to be moved over into the PMA category. In dealing with that, companies can consider what claims to seek, and perhaps if they seek a more limited claim, they'll enhance their chances of getting a 510K. Additionally, I think companies need to plan on taking more time and spending more money to navigate the regulatory process and to build those factors into their timelines in terms of when a product may be available to be sold commercially. Companies need to understand that more and better clinical data is likely to continue to be required, not only for PMAs, but for more complicated 510Ks as well. And I think companies should continue to try to meet early with FDA and as often as possible with the device center to try to discuss with them in advance what the requirements are going to be for their product, so that they have the opportunity to hear FDA's thinking and not to guess at what might be required in a changing environment. Additionally, what a lot of companies are doing is to begin an OUS, or out of the United States strategy, not only for collecting initial data, which companies have done for a long period of time, but perhaps seeking market clearance and selling products outside the United States before coming to the United States to begin the regulatory process here.